I get so weird every time I turn the camera on? High five! Good boy! Are you the cleverest doggy in the whole wide world? I think you are, I think you are. Yes, I think you are, Sophia. Oh, you're gone.
And
Oh, I thought we were having a moment, man. No? You're just gonna leave me like that? Really? Boise, come back. It's just, he's gone. Do you know who I feel like? I'm just Miss Dynamite.
No.
I'm just Miss Dynamite.
Pen has got more charisma.
I'm just Miss Dynamite.
I think you invented notes never ever before heard in music.
You're like Miss Dynamite. I don't know why. Like, I'm probably sure that she never dressed like this, but that's how I feel. See me blowing up your radio.
And on that note...
I think you should leave right now.
I'm done. Singing career's over. She's cancelled. What are we doing? Are we even doing the two pastas one? I don't even know what video I'm filming. Let's just take a moment to appreciate that. I don't know how I feel about this look. This eye colour lip combo.
Weird.
When you don't have lipstick to match your makeup, so you just put eyeshadow on your face.
Hideous.
Hello everyone and welcome to Vegan Region. My name is V. I love a lot of vegan things, but mainly food. Okay, so for today's video, before we get into today's video, I'm so excited to announce that the whole of next week is going to be Vegan Region Week! By now, most of you are probably thinking, what's Vegan Region Week? You're going to be spending a week with me. Maybe not as exciting as it sounds. I have decided to give myself a challenge.
Challenge accepted.
Challenge accepted. I am going to be posting a new video every single day for the whole of next week. I'm going to be sharing some new recipes, cooking with food I've never cooked with before, reviewing other people's recipes, and I'm just gonna be spilling the tea, okay? It's gonna be fantastic. It's gonna be a whole vibe. So if you don't want to miss out, make sure that you click that little subscribe button right over there and turn on the notification bell as well so you don't miss out. I'm posting a new video every single day next week at 5 p.m. UK time. Catch me outside. How about it? Okay, so for this week's video, I'm going to be sharing 2 lazy day pasta recipes, or if you're just me, then really just everyday pasta recipes. Not everyday complex, sometimes you just need to chill out a little bit, okay? Now let's get on into the video. Now in my last video, I did promise that I was going to share how I made that veggie bolognese from Waitrose, so that is going to be the first meal that we're going to look at.
Girl. I mean, come on.
meal that we are going to look at is going to be a very delicious, simple, quick, easy mushroom chili pasta. Get into it, get into it, get into the pasta, get into the pasta, get into the... This is what happens when you leave me alone for too long. I just end up doing weird stuff. Okay, so that pretty much wraps up today's video, you guys. I hope you enjoyed it so much. And again, don't forget to subscribe right there. Turn on the notification bell because it's Vegan Region Week next week. I'm sharing a new video every single day. Every single day. I'm a daily vlogger, so subscribe for that. As always, I'll see you guys in my next video. Hey. I'm gonna do a little dance while I wait for you to subscribe. Oh, have you subscribed yet? Have you subscribed? Have you? Turn on the notification bell. I need help. I'm done. I'm done.